Dear students, as we are continuing lesson number 14 from our textbook, we are continuing now page number 197, 198. Yesterday's lectures. Yesterday lecture I already explained the trek to Gangotri and whatever things the children carried, that also look one time again. That is rice 100 gram, flour 100 gram, pulses 1/3 of weight of rice and flour, that means rice 100 gram and flour 100 gram, that is 200 gram. So 200 multiply 1/3. If we calculate it, we get 66.6666. So we can write over here 66.67. Oil 50 gram, sugar 50 gram, milk powder 40 gram for tea, porridge and hot drink, tea around 10 gram, dalia 40 gram for breakfast, salt 5 gram, dried onions 10 gram and dried tomatoes 10 gram. Now come on for the next page. Look over here. For 6 days, each person will need rice and flour, rice 100 gram and flour 100 gram. So total it is 200 gram. So one person 1 day 200 gram. So one person 6 days, that is 200 multiply 6 equal to 1200 gram. So write over here rice and flour 1200 gram. Pulses, so 1/3 of 1200 gram, because here it is rice and flour both. So 1/3 multiply 1200. So if we divide 1200 by 3, we get 400. So for the 6 days need for one people, one student, that is 400 gram pulses. Whereas dried onions, one person 1 day 10 gram. So 6 day, that is 6 multiply 10 equal to 60 gram. Number B, how much of fresh tomatoes should be dried for 6 days for 10 people? So as our question given over here, 1 kg of onions or tomatoes become 100 gram when the water inside dries up, means 1 kg में से 100 gram dried मिलते हैं. So people, for one people need 10 gram. So 10 people, 10 into 10, that is 100 gram fresh. So 100 into 6, that is 600 gram fresh we need. Even 1 gram extra can make the trek tough. Guess how many of us together weight 1 gram, about 100. Question C. What is the total weight of food for 6 days in each person bag? So rice and flour, that is 1200, pulses 400, and after that 60, oil 60, then 300, then 300, 240 plus 60 plus 240 plus 30 plus 60, means we have to calculate over here. Add all of this for the 6 days. Oil 50 gram, for 1 day So 6 day means 50 multiply 6, that is 300 gram. Sugar 50 gram per day. For 6 day it is 50 multiply 6, that is 300 gram. Milk powder 40 gram per day. So 40 multiply 6 and 2400. 10 gram, so 10 into 6, that is 60. 40 gram, so 40 multiply 6, 240. 5 gram, so 5 multiply 6, that is 30. And here it is 10 or 10. 10 into 6, that is 60. And tomatoes also 10 into 6, that is 60. So write over here all these. 1200, 400, 60, 300, 300, 240, 60, 240, 30, 60. If I plus all these, I got over here 2890 gram. So as we know, 1, 10, 100 place up to gram, then it is kg. So here it is 2 kg 890 gram. Next, can you guess the weight of the heaviest animal on this earth? No, it's not me. I weight only 500 kg. Who is telling? That is elephant. Whereas it is the blue whale. Its weight is around 35 times more than me. So, how many thousand kg does it weight? Means elephant की जो weight है, if we multiply it, that is 5000 multiply 35, then the weight of a blue whale. So you can multiply by yourself, that is 5000 multiply 35. So multiply it by 5, that is 5 5s are 25, carry 2, 5 3s are 15 or 2 17, after that 3 0. 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakhs. So its weight is 1,75,000 kg. Next come, do you remember the story of how Vedika's daughter found the weight of an elephant? Math Magic class 4, पेज नंबर 143. आई थिंक आप सब ने 4th स्टैंडर्ड में वो अच्छी तरह करके आए हो. Guess how many children of your weight will be equal to the weight of an elephant of 5000 kg. Suppose one of the children of you, one of the child in your class weight is 30 kg. So how many children will need? So weight of an elephant 5000 kg. Number of student, right over here, weight of a student equal to 30 kg. So number of student equal to 5000 divided by 30. Cut the 0 0, then 500 divided by 3. Divide 500, 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 3, that is 2, and 0 come over here, 3 6 are 18, 2, 20, 3 6 are 18, 2, keep point, bring over here 0, again 3 is 18, so it will continue, that is 166.666, so we can write over here 167. Whenever point after same digit will repeat again and again, that time we add 1 in the last digit. So 166.6666 means 167 students. Come for next. At birth, a baby elephant weighs around 900 kg. How much did you weigh when you were born? Find out how many times is a baby elephant heavier than you were at birth. Suppose at birth a student weighed 3 kg, but the elephant weight is 90 kg. So we can divide over here. Write this way. At birth, weight of an elephant equal to 90 kg. At birth, weight of a student equal to 3 kg. So 90 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 and bring 0 over here. So that is 30 times. 30 times heavier than you. Next question. If a grown-up elephant eats 136 kg of food in a day, then it will eat around dash kg in a month. Suppose 136 multiply 3, we will get 4080 kg. And in a month, next guess about how much it will eat in a year. So 4080 multiply by 12, generally 50,000 around it will eat in a year.